Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 24. Lesson number 24, we are going to get into OpenCV, the vision processing aspects. Alright guys, so in this particular lesson, I am going to show you how to build an image and then convert that into a sketch, right? So it's pretty simple. Though people from the computer vision background, it's pretty easy to understand. So you may skip this lesson, but for beginners, this is the basic stepping stone to get into artificial intelligence, where you're converting the image grids and the segments and the displays from the color to the grayscales and then converting that back. There are ton loads of things. So basically, if you look at this code, let me share my IDE. It's pretty simple. I'm importing OpenCV, where the keyword is CV2 for those who don't understand. And I just downloaded a puppy dog's image from Google, and I used that JPEG format to convert that dog into grayscale, from converting from colored image to the grayscale, and then converting back into multiple segments of grayscale as a sketch, as a pencil sketch. So that's how this entire program works. It's pretty easy to understand. However, this is just a stepping stone for the beginners, guys. We can build, believe me, ton loads of applications using this as a baseline. We can use so many computer vision applications using OpenCV, and image processing, object detections, and stuff like that. So let's quickly run through a short demo of what this program does. Let me just quickly run it, and we can see some magic happening. There you go. So you can see this image. So this is the original image in color format, which I got it from Google, and converted this into a grayscale as a sketch, as a pencil sketch. Now the real magic is when I hit tab, there you go. It'll automatically create another sketch format, like a pencil sketch format, either on the dark side and on the lighter side. Now if I click tab button again, this is going to create some more intensive depth into the image in a grayscale format. Let me tab again, and there you go. It's more lighter format. Let me tab again, and it's going back to the reverse original. Now the program is closed. So guys, using this particular program, you can create ton loads of applications. Trust me. We can do edge detections and stuff like that using your own picture. We can do, there are so many things. So in this particular series, Zero to Hero Funny Python, I am going to start showing you lot of more applications using OpenCV and Matplotlib and NumPy, and ton loads of stuff. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I'll be back soon, very soon, in the next video. Goodbye.